When everyone is triggered, calm becomes a weapon. Because in a noisy moment, the person who stays steady doesn't just feel better, they take control of the room. Most people think calm is a personality trait, like you're either born chill or you're not. That's a lie. Calm is a skill, and like any skill, it has a method. Today, I'll give you a simple system to stay calm when everyone around you is emotional. At work, in family drama, in public conflict, online, anywhere. No fluffy advice. Practical Stoic control. First, understand what triggered really means. A triggered person is not thinking. They're reacting. Their nervous system is driving. Their words are speed. Their tone is pressure. Their goal is not truth. Their goal is relief. They want to unload discomfort onto you. And if you react, you accept the transfer. So the first rule is, don't accept emotional transfers. You don't have to catch what they throw. Rule 1. Slow your body before you slow the conversation. You can't think your way into calm if your body is in alarm. So when tension rises, do the physical reset. Exhale longer than you inhale. Relax your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Soften your eyes. That takes you out of fight or flight. And it signals something powerful. I'm not threatened. Rule 2. Speak 20% slower than normal. Triggered people speak fast to force you into their pace. Your job is to refuse their speed. When you slow your speech, you slow the temperature. Short sentences. Low tone. No extra words. Calm people don't rush to be understood. They choose clarity. Rule 3. Use the label to break the spell. When someone is triggered, they're inside a story. So you interrupt the story with a neutral label. I hear you're frustrated. Seems like this is stressful. I can see this matters to you. You're not agreeing. You're naming. And naming is powerful because it pulls them from emotion into awareness. Rule 4. Ask one question that forces clarity. Triggered people don't want clarity. They want release. So you guide them with one calm question. What do you want to happen next? What's the specific issue? What's the simplest solution? That question changes the frame. It moves the conversation from heat to structure. Rule 5. Don't defend, define. When people are triggered, they often accuse, blame, and exaggerate. If you defend too much, you look guilty. If you attack back, you lose control. So, you define. Examples. That's not accurate. Here's what happened. I'm open to feedback, not insults. We can solve this, but we're doing it calmly. One boundary sentence, then silence. Silence after a boundary is strength. Rule 6. The third person mindset. This is a Stoic trick. In conflict, your ego wants to win. Your calm wants to lead. So imagine you're watching the scene from above, like a neutral observer. Ask, what would a disciplined person do right now? Not, what do I feel like doing? What would a disciplined person do? That creates distance. Distance creates control. Rule 7. Exit the fire. Don't argue in it. Some situations aren't meant to be solved in the moment. If someone is shouting, insulting, or spiraling, the best move is not to fix it, it's to pause it. Say, I'm not continuing this like this. We can talk when it's calm. Then leave, or end the call. That's not avoidance, that's leadership, because you refuse to reward chaos with attention. Now, how do you practice calm so you actually have it under pressure? Because calm in theory is easy. Calm in the moment is rare. So here's your daily drill. Once per day, choose one small trigger. Traffic, a comment, a delay. And practice the pause. Pause, exhale, relax the jaw, respond slower. You're training your nervous system to obey you, After a week, your default changes. People start feeling it around you. They speak differently. They test less. They respect your presence. Because calm isn't weakness. Calm is dominance with discipline. So remember this when everyone is triggered. You don't need to match their energy to be heard. You don't need to raise your voice to be respected. You don't need to react to keep your power. Your power is in the pause. Your power is in the tone. Your power is in the boundary. Stay calm. And you don't just survive the chaos. You become the person everyone else follows.